As winter rolls in, it's time to think about moving in those less hardy plants to wait out that cold weather until it warms up again next spring. And we also have to think about those big, heavy containers. A lot of times they're just too awkward and bulky to move in and out every year. So today I'm going to show you some quick tips on how to overwinter those plants and those bulky containers. Now there's one fall project that's likely on everybody's to-do list, even if you have just a small deck or patio, and that's getting your special plants inside and protecting them over the winter time. Now placing them in front of a bright sunny window is ideal, but if you don't have that, maybe a garage or a basement where they're out of the freezing temperatures and the wind. The plants will go dormant or semi-dormant, and they should be good to go next spring when it's warm again. But what about the containers themselves? Some of these can be so attractive and yet so expensive you'd hate to lose them to cracking. And yet it's a common occurrence in the wintertime. Now the reason for that is when they're full of soil and the soil gets wet and then it freezes, it expands. So there's a lot of pressure on the inside of the container. But since the container is rigid, it has no flex, it has nowhere to go, and that's where the cracking comes in. So it's best if you can get your containers inside, but sometimes the containers are so far away from the house, or they're just darn right heavy, or maybe you don't want to take on another project in the fall. I understand that. So try this instead. When you empty the container of the soil next time before you add soil back in, use some of this shipping wrap that has the bubbles in it. Line the inside a couple times. Now what that's going to do, it's going to provide the flex and the give that you need that you don't get from your container. So if it's full of soil and the soil gets wet and then the soil freezes and there's that outward pressure, this will absorb it and prevent your containers from cracking.